Greetings everyone, this is Immaculate from IMA Recreation, Traditional Games Revival Initiative. As you know, we have been seeing lot of traditional games. Few of them are very much living and we have been capturing as it is played now. And few of them I have no clue how to play, but still I am trying to reconstruct them. I could be completely wrong, but it also serves the purpose. I hope some of you who know this game maybe come and tell me that I am wrong and how to play that. Just for the records, this game I don't know how to play. I am only trying to reconstruct it, and my first impression by seeing this board, it is like part of Pagade or Pachisi game. 4 times if you just put it on 4 sides and in between a circle or a block, it becomes Pagade. And like race and dice game, or it could be game of wars with slight differences, or it could be game of senate. They're all dice games, or it could be even Paggada or Tablon or the country chess, but it has got 4 rows. And I have seen these kind of edgings on rocks and all that, even sometimes more than 8, 12, 23, 24, like that. And in between also this pattern, usually there is no marking on the outer side, and in between after 4 squares there is a square. So what I am going to do, I am going to think and derive multiple ways of playing it. First I will start with war game, okay, war strategy game. That is the simplest. If we apply on top of it dice games, like lot of other things will come. And if we try to play that like reversey kind of thing, again some other game might evolve. But if anyone knows how to originally play this game from your ancestors, from your elders, please do let me know. To start with, I am not going to distinguish the markings here. It's just a pattern I am thinking. So like chess alternate squares, I have just blocked it. And honestly, I have not seen that separate blocks in the things which is edged in the floor. So we will just use this, and it is usually, if the cross is there, it is like a safe place where multiple coins or opponent's coin can stay together, and in the safe place nobody will cut you. So I am just assuming it is like 9-man army kind of a war game. You have to just cross and reach the other side, they have to cross and reach the other side, and you can cut your opponent. Okay, cutting opponent is usually by jumping over. Jumping over can be like this or even diagonal. So with that we will start. And PM was also telling, we are trying to make these games like a sport, like counting who is the winner loser clearly to come out, then games might survive. So we will give points. If whoever reaches the other side, they will get 100 points. Whoever get captured, the opponent will get 10 points. Okay, we will play like that. So obviously black moves here, safe place. So yellow moves here, safe place. So they just cross and reach the opponent side. Okay, so they each got 100 points each. Now again we can do the same this side also, but again see this, yellow moves this here, so it means this is under attack, so this cannot go here also. So yellow moves this here. Now black's turn. Black can't move this, again this yellow will jump, so black moves this, so yellow captures black. Okay, now black's turn. So this black will not go here because this will jump over, so it will reach there. So this is in the safe place now, yellow. Now again yellow's turn. So suppose yellow moves the other here, so yellow moves here. Again brown's turn. Brown can't move this, brown can't move this, brown can't move that, or anything you move, that guy will jump. So brown moves this here, because brown moves this, that is so easy, it will come to the corner. So brown moves this here. Now again they do the exchange. Okay, now again brown's turn. So suppose brown moves here, so again this is under attack, so yellow safeguards itself first. Then again brown's turn. Brown can't go anywhere, so brown has to move something else. So suppose brown moves anything, brown moves, it will be attack. Or brown can move this here, so this here attack, anything forward attack, this here, this can attack and that can also attack, this here, that can attack. So brown can only move this here. So yellow moves here. So now this brown is under attack. So that brown can't move anywhere. So brown's turn. So that brown is locked. Suppose brown comes back here. And because brown doesn't have any other move, so this brown comes back here. So yellow is taken another brown. Okay, so now this is a safe place. That's why brown couldn't attack it. Now yellow has taken brown now. So now it's again yellow's move. Suppose yellow occupies another. So yellow has got 300 points now. 300 plus 20 points. Brown has got 100 and it has not captured anything. Okay, so now I think yellow has moved. Now it's brown's turn. So brown can safely go here. It's anyway a safe place. Now yellow can safely come here. Now they can do the exchange. Brown can go here. Brown can't go there because that will jump. Brown can go here. Yellow can come here. So yellow got 400 points. Yellow is in the safe place also. Now again brown's move. Brown, that can't come. This can't go. So something has to go. So suppose oh, whichever brown moves, it's attack. Brown moves here, brown moves here, brown moves here, brown moves here. It's attack. Brown suppose comes back to safe place, thinking that it will go there. So yellow stand. Anyway, let yellow move something. Yellow comes here. So I am using this brown to capture. I could have used this brown also, but that would have captured. So brown has got now 200 points plus 10. Okay, now brown moved. Now yellow's turn. So yellow is already here. It will go back means it will lose points. So suppose yellow moves here. Oh, that's a mistake because yellow moved thinking that yellow can't eat yellow, but diagonal move was also there. So now see, yellow can take brown now. If double jump is there, yellow could have taken brown also. Right now we will assume there is no double jump, but in the beginning if you agree double jump is there, it would have jumped. Now see, this would have taken this now. So now the game is becoming slightly interesting. So now brown has moved. Now yellow has to move. Suppose yellow has got attack here. So this game is very interesting. So you might miss an attack. So yellow has got attack. So brown is taken. And yellow again 4 has to come. So now brown's move. This is safe place, so brown can't jump. Okay, now brown anyway went back to the opponent's place. Now yellow's move. Yellow has come back here. Now one brown has to go there. So now brown's move. Actually, if you look at it now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4. So yellow is the winner. You can end the game here, or you can just play because yellow nothing is there. You can end the game here and declare yellow as the winner, or if you agree, you can play until nobody is left in the board also. That will take longer, but here or here brown would have moved here because it can't jump now. If brown would have moved here, this would have jumped. Brown moved here. Yellow's turn, yellow moved here, brown reached there. So brown has got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think here you can end the game, or you can continue to play. Now they can move crisscross anywhere, and they can just try to play like clear out everybody like that. Okay, so try to play this game and let me know how do you like it.